C.L.A.S.S Land and Auction is excited to announce our first auction of the year. Saturday, April 13th at 10:01 a.m., we will be auctioning the late Alma Medsker estate. This beautiful 2-story, 3-bedroom, 3.5-bath home is surrounded by farmland and has amazing mountain views. All the appliances will convey with the home. The net proceeds from the sale will go to Freedom Alliance, a non-profit for veterans. C.L.A.S.S will host an open house Sunday, April 7th from 3 to 5 p.m. If you cannot make the open house, here is a walkthrough of the inside. We hope this video gave you a better idea of what this wonderful home is like. For more information, give us a call or go to our auctionzip.com page to learn more. Details can be found below. Be sure to follow us on YouTube to learn more about more upcoming auctions.